Hello everyone, welcome back to Kitchen of Flavors. Today I am going to show you how to make pikelets. For that we need 2 cups of flour, in which we are going to add quarter teaspoon of baking soda, and now we are going to add 6 tablespoons of brown sugar in it. Now we are going to take half a cup of milk and put half teaspoon of lemon juice inside and give it a nice stir so it can mix in very well, and we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes. Now we're going to whisk the dry ingredients while we wait for the milk to sit. So make sure you whisk the ingredients really well. So after we're done mixing, we're going to add 2 eggs in it. Then we're going to add the milk that we had let to sit. And we're going to add 1.5 tablespoon of butter in it. Now we're going to whisk all the ingredients together. And now we're going to add quarter teaspoon of vanilla essence. And you keep mixing it till you get the perfect consistency you want. It's not supposed to be too light and not too thick. It's just supposed to be somewhere in between that, just like this. So we're now going to fry the pikelets, and for that we're going to heat a pan and put 1 tablespoon of oil in it. Now we're going to pour the mixture in the pan in portions. Make sure not to spread it much, as the pikelets should be a bit thick. Just like that. Now we're going to fry till it's golden brown, and once it's done we're going to flip it over, but make sure you do it gently so the mixture doesn't spread all over the pan. So we're going to fry this side as well. Once both the sides are done, we're going to take it off the pan. This is how the pikelets should be. So we're going to repeat the same process with the rest of the mixture until all our pikelets are ready. This is a very easy but yummy recipe in case you're looking for something quick to make for your kids for breakfast during school days or holidays. I'm sure your kids will definitely love this breakfast. Once the pikelets are ready, you can serve them with maple syrup, honey, or anything else you desire. It looks so yummy. I hope you guys try this recipe. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Thank you.